If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Compass High Altitude in billet silver. With halogen headlamps, premium fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, deep tint sunscreen glass, remote start system, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 58,000 miles on the odometer, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth, Sirius XM satellite radio, 115-volt auxiliary power outlet, rear 60/40 split fold and recline seats, power sunroof, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P5493.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.